is my father's Mitsubishi FH, and as you can see, it has little problems, but I'm not gonna fix all of them. I'm gonna fix the ones that are which one do I use? I will fix the ones that are critical for me to go get something. So let me show you what the issue is. Friends, these are my friends. So see, this is not good, and I'm going to fix that. And you're probably asking yourself, how will I fix this? This is not good. And if you have a lorry, before you do anything, go somewhere or start it in the morning, make sure you look between the back wheels, because if you have something like this, it can be really costly. So I have my tools here. So I have this and I have a hammer. So what I'm going to do is, at least, so my plan is to break the stone in a few smaller pieces so that I can be able to pull it. As you can see, it's really hard to pull, so I just need to break it into smaller pieces, slowly by slowly. That's what I'm gonna do. So you might be probably wondering, it will take out itself. No, it won't, because see how it's wedged inside the wheel. So if you make a mistake of driving with this stone, if I make a mistake of driving with this stone here in the middle of this wheel, it can puncture the side walls, as you can see. And also the stone is really sharp, so it can puncture it. So let's fix it. Also make sure that the tip of this is not sharp, so that you don't puncture it. So you just need blunt force. Okay, so as you can see, it's breaking up into smaller pieces. Nice. This is the first one, first big one. We are making progress. Okay, so as soon as that one came out, this one came out really easily. So if you love yourself, you love your tires, make sure to look for things like this inside here. I get those a lot, so make sure you check before starting it. So we'll go check the other side if there is any. So let me take you around what I do before starting a car or anything else. So just go around and look at. So it's good. Also, the next thing you check is the oil. You should check the oil before starting any diesel. So I'm gonna show you where the dipstick is. So it's there somewhere there. So I'm going to take it off so that you can see where the oil should be. You check for any the oil before starting your car. So the dipstick is here. So what I like to do is look at it. It should be level first. If you want to check it correctly, it should be level. So as you can see here, it's slanting. It's on a downhill because it doesn't start. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can see. This is the full mark and the low mark. So if it's around the middle, it's okay. So, and also I like to check if the oil is clean. So how you do that is, so take a pinch from the dipstick, wipe it off a little bit. I put a lot, and then rub it on your finger. So if the black stain stays on your finger, you know that the oil is dirty. So you rub, and if the finger is clean, you know that your oil is clean. I know it's clean because we serviced it. I think 2 months ago, I guess, and the lorry doesn't get used that much. Maybe once a week or twice a week. So we are good on the oil. So as I said, the car doesn't start. So the batteries are bad. At least one of the batteries is bad. So let me show you what I do when I park it. As I said, the lorry doesn't start. So what I'm gonna do, there's a reason why I parked it on a downhill. So I'm gonna bump start it and see how we get on. So that's how you start a car that doesn't start. With a starter, I mean. The problem is the batteries, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna open the gates. So as you can see, ho, 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 smoke. So the problem is, on a lorry, there are two batteries. This is one and this is two. So the one battery, if one battery goes bad, the car won't be able to start. So I'm suspecting that this is the one because I tested it a while earlier. So this one is the bad one. So I need to remove this bar, this anti-theft bar, and then remove this one and then put a new one here. And that's a job for another day. So let's go. that's how you start an old lorry. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, like, share, subscribe to the channel so that I can be able to bring out videos like those. Okay. Also, I'll do an update video for the problems that the lorry has. It has a lot of problems. Side mirrors, it doesn't have a side mirror. I broke it. Both the two doors don't open and close. So I'll do an update. Also, the center bolt, the front left center bolt is toast. So I'll do an update video highlighting all the problems that it has. Yeah, so let me go to where I was going. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching. So diesel is bluish in color if you don't know, and petrol is reddish.